Faber Piano Adventures Level 3B, page 38, 16th notes. We have learned quarter notes, half notes, whole notes, dotted quarters, dotted halves, eighth notes, and now we're learning 16th notes. 16th notes have two beams on them, so two lines, and we're going to be holding those for 1/4 of a second. So it takes 4 of them to equal 1 beat. When we count 16th notes, we're going to count 1 E and A. Example number 1, filling the rhythm on page 38, starts here on high C. Here's middle C, starting on high C. I'm going to play it and count it. And you can see how 4 16th notes equal 1 beat. Let's listen. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and So if the rhythm was faster, maybe it was like this. We would have to count this speed. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. If you're not good at counting with E and you probably want to practice. So 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a. You need to get used to that. In example 2, we're down here in low C. So here's middle C, go down to bass C, and we're going to be playing a C chord, but the first note of every C chord is an 8th note, and the other two are 16th notes. So 8th notes we hold for 1 E, or and a. And 16th notes we only hold for one of those, either 1 E and or a. Let's listen to example 2. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and a. The final note was a quarter note, which we hold for all of those, 4 E and a, because that's one full beat. Now let's look at example 3. In this example we're playing C chords again, but the first 2 notes are 16th notes, and the third note is an 8th note. Listen as I count and play them. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and So we held those last notes of each section for a little bit longer because 8th notes we hold for a half a beat, and 16ths we hold for a 1/4 of a beat. Okay, now as far as the transposing into different keys, you can do that if you like. But the whole point of this exercise is that you understand 16th notes are held for a 1/4 of a beat and how to count 16th notes. This concludes 16th notes.